In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Wrike account in just under 5 minutes. Sometimes when you're not using a service anymore, or maybe you just want to tidy up your online presence, it's best to close accounts you're no longer making use of. Deleting an account can free up mental space, reduce unwanted emails, and help manage your digital footprint more effectively. So let's get started on how you can delete your Wrike account smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to wrike.com. Once there, look to the upper right corner of the home page where you'll find the login button. Click on that and then enter your email and password to access your account. Logging in, of course, is a necessary first step to ensure you have the right permissions to access your account settings. After you're logged in, you need to navigate over to your profile settings. This is typically found under your avatar or profile picture, which is often visible in the upper right corner of the page you're on. Click on your avatar and in the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where all your account details are visible and tweakable. Now once you're in the settings, focus your attention on the left panel. Yes, there's a left side menu that provides various options. Look for settings there as well. It might sound redundant, but this left panel is where detailed options and personal configurations are available to you. Clicking this will ensure you are delving deeper into the account specifics. With all these sections accessed, the next move is to scroll down the settings page until you find the option labelled Delete Account. This option is usually found towards the bottom, as it's often deemed a more serious action in terms of account management. It's akin to closing the final chapter of a book you've decided not to read anymore. Once you click on Delete Account, there might be a few prompts or confirmations. Typically, the platform will ask you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it's the platform's way of ensuring that you are absolutely sure about your choice to delete the account, and it's an added layer to prevent any accidental deletions. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions or confirmations that follow to ensure that your account is closed correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward process to delete your Wrike account. Remember, always review any valuable information or data you might need before going through with the account deletion. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like or sharing it with friends who might find themselves in a similar situation. Have a great day.